You have a P0420 code and want to clear it without a new catalytic converter. Yes, for off-road or track use, there is a mechanical trick. But it only works if your converter is just getting inefficient, not completely failing. That P0420 code simply means your car's computer thinks the converter isn't cleaning the exhaust anymore. It knows this by comparing two oxygen sensors. The first sensor, before the converter, sends a fast switching signal. The second sensor, after the converter, should send a slow, flat signal if everything is working. When that second sensor starts switching just as fast as the first one, the computer flags the converter as bad and triggers your check engine light. Before you try any fix, you must rule out two other problems that can cause this same code. First, check for exhaust leaks anywhere between the engine and that second O2 sensor. A leak sucks in fresh air, which will confuse the sensor and trigger a false code, even with a good converter. Second, make sure your engine has no misfires. A misfire sends unburned fuel into the exhaust, which cooks the precious metals inside the converter and ruins it. Fix any misfires first. If you have no leaks or misfires and no strong rotten egg smell from the tailpipe, the mechanical workaround is an O2 sensor spacer. This is a small steel or brass fitting. You just unscrew the downstream O2 sensor from the exhaust pipe, thread the spacer into the pipe, and then thread the sensor into the back of the spacer. This simple part physically pulls the sensor's tip out of the main exhaust stream. This distance buffers the sensor from the raw exhaust gas. Because it's no longer seeing the rapid changes, its voltage signal naturally becomes slow and flat. Your car's computer sees this lazy signal and thinks it's looking at a perfectly working, high-efficiency catalytic converter. This keeps the check engine light off and lets the car's readiness monitors set to complete. Now be very clear about this. A spacer does not fix your car's actual emissions. It only tricks the computer. This is for a converter that's just old, not one that is physically melted or clogged. A clogged converter creates back pressure that hurts your engine's power and can cause real damage. That rotten egg smell is the key warning sign of a major failure, and a spacer won't solve that. So always check for exhaust leaks and misfires first. The real problem might be a much simpler fix.